Ginger and dill salmon with roasted asparagus and fennel. It's not only delicious and fresh, but you can make this ahead of time and make it into a complete meal by adding, for instance, mixed greens, soba noodles, roasted vegetables, or brown rice. It's a fun way of serving leftover vegetables, and everyone can create the salad or the meal they want. The combination is endless, and it's all up to you. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, line a sheet pan with parchment paper, pat the salmon dry and place them on the tray skin side down. Next, we're going to prepare the ingredients for the marinade. We're going to finely grate the ginger, chop the dill, trim and cut the asparagus, cut and slice the fennel. In a bowl, mix the grated ginger, chopped dill, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Spread half of this mixture over the salmon fillets evenly. Add the asparagus and fennel to the baking sheet as well. Then drizzle the olive oil over the asparagus and fennel and season with salt and pepper. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the salmon is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. Now, while the salmon is cooking, let's prepare the other ingredients. Thinly slice the radishes, peel and cut the oranges, peel and pit the avocado and transfer them onto a plate or bowl. Since I'm making a salad out of this, I'm adding some arugula and mixed greens, but you can serve it with soba noodles, quinoa, or brown rice. Once the salmon, asparagus, and fennel are cooked, we can now plate it up. Carefully transfer the salmon fillets to a serving plate. Add the slices of oranges, avocado, and radishes. Arrange the roasted asparagus and fennel around the salmon. Drizzle the rest of the citrus mixture over the entire dish. And there you have it, a simple yet elegant dish that's perfect for any occasion. The combination of ginger and dill adds a unique flavor to the salmon, while the roasted asparagus and fennel complements it beautifully. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!